Hi, today we're going to look into event management business and understand how you can track your expenses related to event management in one Notion template. Let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a view of the screen. And this is the event management expenses tracker that I was talking about, where you have different categories defined at the top under the category head. And for each of the category, you have the budgeted expense being defined over here and the actual expenses also being defined. And the percentage indicator to show you how much of budget expense was spent so far. And at the bottom, we have a table where you have defined all the expenses for every respective category that was added. And what you can see over here is for every budgeted expense, simply click on this value and you can define your own budgeted expense amount over here. And in the summary section, what you can see is we have the total budgeted expense that was added up earlier, combining all the budgeted expense value. And then the actual expenses getting pulled from the table at the bottom. The difference in between the both and the percentage of actual expense that was spent so far. And under the category section, all the actual expenses are being pulled from the table at the bottom. So as I change any of these expenses, you can see the values getting updated at the top. Okay. So let me quickly update the text side of expense, and as I do that, everything gets updated real time. Okay. If you want to add a new category, click on this new page, and if you want to delete any category, click on this three dot and click on delete. The category will be deleted. For editing, you can simply click on this pencil icon, and you can edit the values over here. So this is a quick and easy way to track your event management business expenses. If you need any customization for this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.